Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send cryptocurrency to someone else using your Bybit wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device and make sure that you are logged in by using your email address or your phone number and password. After logging in, you will end up within the exchange page. So tap on Web3 and now this will take you into your wallet. Now right within your wallet page, you will see the send button. Go ahead and tap on it and then choose your desired network. After making your selection, you may be prompted to deposit the asset if you don't have it within your account. Once you have made the deposit, you may proceed with sending your Solana to your desired address. Just enter the wallet address, or you can also use the QR code icon from the homepage at the top right corner. Just use your phone camera to scan the QR code of the wallet within which you would like to send your crypto. After scanning this code, just enter the amount that you wish to send and simply tap on the send button to finalize your transaction and send your chosen crypto to the respective user right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send crypto to another user on the Bybit platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.